Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into a common problem that many Firefox users might not even be aware of. Did you know that Firefox has the capability to share your location with websites if you grant permission? The problem comes when you're left wondering, how can you actually check what location is being shared with a website? Let's unravel this mystery together. In terms of a solution, there's a pretty neat trick you can use. One way to check the location being shared with a website is by utilizing specific test API websites. These websites are designed to showcase how different browser APIs, including geolocation, work in action. One example is browserleaks.com geo, where you can test out geolocation sharing. Additionally, Mozilla's web developer documentation site offers valuable insights into using the geolocation API, complete with example code that you can host on your own server if privacy is a concern. In summary, we've tackled the problem of how to check what location is being shared with websites in Firefox. By exploring test API websites like browserleaks.com geo and utilizing resources from Mozilla's developer documentation, you can gain a better understanding of geolocation sharing. I hope you found this information useful. Remember to subscribe for more tech tips, smash that like button, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy browsing